Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add variants on your Shopify. Now let's say that you have a product with different colors or different sizes or whatever, and you want to do that inside the product. Now what you guys need to do is you just need to log in first into your Shopify store, okay, and you want to click on products, okay. So after guys you click on products, as you can see I have like 3 products here. Now you just need to click on the one that you want to add variants to. I'm going to click on this one and scroll down. Okay, so if you scroll down, as you can see, I already added 3 different variants here: white color and yellow, and the sizes. Also I added the sizes. Now as you can see I have like 3, like I said, okay, and each color it has other 3 variants, which is the sizes, which is like L, S, M. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do this in a few seconds. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys is let me just show you guys exactly how you can do this. Now as you can see where it says variants, you can see something like called add variant. Okay, even if your product doesn't have any variant, it has only one image or whatever, one color, and you want to add different colors, so that it's like you will be able to see the option to select the colors you want. Now you just need to click on add variant, and here you want to add the color or the size or whatever, and the size here is going to be L, color it's going to be green for example, and here you want to add the image of the variant. If you are selling for example like clothing, it say that it's a red, you just need to add here the red clothes, like the red hoodie or the red pants. Okay, so that's when they select red, you will be able to see immediately the picture. Now here you want to add the price for this specific variant, and here the inventory will be stocked, so you just need to leave it like this, and that's it. And after that you want to click on save variant. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this, and you can also add another one by clicking in the top, create another variant, and then you can do the exact same thing. Okay, color, I'm going to do this yellow now, the size I'm going to do XL, and here you want to add the yellow hoodie or pants or whatever you are selling, then click on save. Okay, so now you will be able to see this. If I'm going to click here on products, and this is the product. Okay, we have added green and yellow. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. Let me just check this. Okay, as you can see I have added green and yellow. So when you click on yellow, as you can see I added the XL, okay, and the green I selected L, S, M. Okay, so that's exactly guys how you can do this. Hopefully this one guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.